So I have difficulty accepting that just the IV versus the IO changes outcomes in cardiac arrest. Like we talked about earlier, I can see if you're establishing an IO and you're doing that push to try and get that pocket within the bone marrow. I can see that drugs might get stuck in that medullary cavity, so they don't actually metabolize the way that we want them to. So maybe giving them IV, still hitting that, bypassing that first pass metabolism, actually getting the drug into central circulation. Maybe that is very important, and maybe that's done better through vascular access. But again, if we're doing it in 9 minutes, so in this study, it talked about the first access was 6 minutes from patient arrival, which is another thing, right? When we get on scene, what was happening in that 6 minutes? And I don't want to, parse things too finely or split too many hairs, but, in that 6 minutes, were we deciding whether the patient was viable? Were we deciding that, do we do airway first? What do we do first?